Hello students, standard 6th textbook page number 6, activity number we are going to study it. All sorts of lists. A. Choose any one of the following topics to make a list. Try to list as many items as possible within 2 minutes. Here are 9 topics. You have to choose only one from these topics. These all 9 topics. You need to complete only one list within 2 minutes. For example, things we cannot see. We have to write all things we cannot see them, like air, sound, smell, bacteria. Just like this, you have to choose any one of the topic and you have to make list like this. Please do not choose things we cannot see, because I had did it. So please choose another one of the topic from the list and you have to make list with this topic. Thank you.